Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss the study entitled Effects of 8-Week Jump Training Program on Sprint and Jump Performance and Leg Strength in Pre and Post Peak Height Velocity Age Boys. So this study focuses on how jump training can improve the physical performance of adolescent boys depending on their stage of growth and development. So first, we have the contents. This presentation includes the introduction, materials and methods, training program, results discussion, and conclusion of the study. So the study involved 102 boys aged 12 to 14, and they were divided into pre-PHV or the peak height, velocity, and post-PHV group based on their growth measurement. So some participants joined the jump training program while others continued their regular education activities. The training lasted for 8 weeks with 2 sessions per week. So here in introduction, resistance and plyometric training are known to improve strength, jumping ability, and sprint performance in young athletes. However, researchers wanted to know whether biological maturity or peak height velocity affects the results of training. This study compared younger boys before puberty and older boys after puberty to determine how jump training influences their physical performance. So here in jump and power test protocol, the researchers used a mobile force plate for accurate measurements, and participants also completed a 20-meter sprint test and an isokinetic strength test to measure leg power and speed, and this assessment determined the effectiveness of training program. Here in sprint and strength assessment, the sprint and strength assessments showed how explosive and powerful the participants were. Sprints test measured running speed, and while strength test measure for the force and produced by the leg muscles. So here in the training program included different jump exercises such as squat jumps, hops, and counter movement jumps. And the exercises gradually increased in difficulty and volume over 8 weeks to improve the participants' physical performance, safety, and effectively. And the results showed significant improvements in sprinting, jumping, and leg strength among participants who completed the jump training program, and pre-PHB boys improved more in sprinting and jumping, while post-PHB boys gained more leg strength. And the summary of discussion, the study explained that younger boys respond better to explosive activities because of neural adaptations and improved movement efficiency. Older boys, on the other hand, gain more muscle strength due to hormonal and physical changes during puberty, and the study also proved that school-based jump training is effective and practical for improving athletic performance. So here in conclusion, the 8-week jump training program effectively improved sprinting, jumping, and leg strength in adolescent boys. So the effect of training depended on the participants' stage growth and maturity. So therefore, plyometric training can be a valuable part of school physical education program.